Hi guys, it's Eric here. Let's talk about the 4 ways to make money on Fansplan, and I will give you a step-by-step introduction. But what is Fansplan? Well, Fansplan is a social media platform that connects entrepreneurs, creators, and influencers with their followers with the opportunity to sell products and services. So let's dive into the content. As you can see here, you just grab the link down under to go to Fansplan and then you sign up. And when you sign up, I'm already signed in so I can't show you that, but when you sign up, you are going to be asked to be a creator or just be a viewer, and you need to take the creator side. Even though you don't have products right now, you might have some products along the way. So take the creator version, and it's totally free, of course. So now we're in on the Fansplan platform. This is what you see when you get in here. It's the normal feed. It looks a bit like Facebook, and here you can see the people that you are following, of course. And on the left side, we have a menu, and I will just run through the menu really quick. So you can create a post here. You can go to your profile, and when you have a profile on Fansplan, it's a really good idea to fill out a picture and fill out the bio. What do you do? What can you help people with? Because that will attract people more than if you don't fill it out. So fill that out immediately when you go to Fansplan. And here we have messages. That's kind of private, so I'm not going to show you that. And then we have the referral program. And I have only been here for a couple of days, so I don't have a lot of guys in here. But you can take and copy this link, and that is the first way you can make money. Because when people go in to Fansplan on your referral link, you get 5% of all the things they are going to sell in the future. So if you get some big influencers or some people with a big following that are really good at making products, you will make money too. So that's the first way to do it, your referral link. So remember that. Then we have notifications. Who is commenting on your things, who are saying something to you on your feed. And we have my store. And I have made a lot of products already, and I will show you later how easy it is to make a product on Fansplan. Then we have my store orders. It's kind of empty because I have only been here for 2 days. And my orders is of course empty because I have only been here for a couple of days. And my campaigns, I have no campaigns, but campaigns, I'll not say it's a way to make money, but it's a way to make crowdfunding if you want money for a cause. And I will not say that's to make money, but it's to collect money for a cause. So that you can do too. You can make crowdfunding. And then we have my payments, which is kind of zero right now, but it won't be in the future. And then we have the settings. I will keep that for myself. And then we have the leaderboard. And that's quite interesting because this is a really new platform, but I know that there are people in here that have way under 200 followers, as you can see here, and they are making really good money on this platform because they are really good at getting people into Fansplan and follow them. And you don't need 2,000 or thousands of followers here to make money. No, you only need the right kind of people. You need your tribe, the people that follow you, the people that trust you, the people that know you and like you. So you can make money with a very, very small amount of followers. So that was a little about the menus. The menus, it's not a restaurant, is it? No, about the menu. So I've already shown the first way to make money, and that's with your referral link, where you will get 5% of all the things that people sell in your downline. Let's call it that. It's a network marketing expression, but well, it goes here. The second way to make money on Fansplan is you can create a post and get paid for the post. I've never seen that before. That's awesome. So you post some valuable stuff and maybe put on a picture or a GIF or something like that. You can just oh, why not? Well, why not take myself here? And then you can choose if it's going to be public or only for your followers. So you can actually only show this to your followers if you want to, and you say to them, go in and follow me on Fansplan because I will show you stuff that nobody else will see. So that's a possibility in here. And then you can actually make this paid. If you put in the post title description and set the amount, the post will come up on the feed, but they will not be able to see what you have posted unless they pay to see that post. That's brilliant, I think. So that was the second way to make money on Fansplan. And the third way is, of course, to make products. And it doesn't have to be that hard to make products. I have some products. You can see my products in my store here. I have some simple PDFs. It's only one page. I have an ebook, and I have checklists, bundles, and I have something like this. This is my pride, my 10 best headline templates that will skyrocket your business. Everybody needs that. So you can make meal plans, you can make how-to guides, you can make cheat sheets, website templates, ebooks, checklists, printable quotes, printable wall art, whatever you like. You can sell anything in here. And the cool part is you don't need funnels, you don't need landing pages, you don't need websites, you don't need paying solutions, because it's all on Fansplan. How cool is that? So let me show really quick how to make a product on Fansplan. You go in here, up in the right corner, add product. You put in a picture. Why not take myself again? Here I am. You take the product name here and you select the product type. And let's say it's a PDF, a one-page PDF. It's non-physical. I select digital media. It could be images, it could be videos, it could be audiobooks, it could be ebooks. But I choose digital media, and I can upload here. I can just upload, well, just for the fun of it, we just upload something here. And then, what do you want to charge? Well, let's say this is normally it costs $9. But I'm in a good spirit today, so I will sell it for $3. So it's a discounted price. Then I put in the description and terms and conditions, and I hit save. That's it. And then you have the product in your store. Like this, you have it right here, and you can make as many products as you like, and people can go in and look at your product. You have all the text, the description here, you have the price, the before price and the real price. And that's it. That's how to make money. So let me give you a quick recap on how to make money on Fansplan. Oh, I forgot one. You can even make subscriptions in here. So if your followers want to pay you a little amount every month, you can do that too. So that's number one, subscriptions. You can make paid posts, and you can make products, and you get the 5% referral bonus. And you even have the possibility to make crowdfunding. So what's not to like? So grab the link down here and let's meet on Fansplan. If we haven't met before, my name is Eric Precious, and I help network marketers and home-based business owners to take their business online using modern strategies. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you another time. Bye-bye.